nikaribishe maswali matano kwa mwalimu, tukianza na
Coach, looking to the last 6 matches that Simba played against Yanga, your team has like 6 defeats in a row. Do you see tomorrow's match as a very huge mountain to climb and to erase the record that has been put?
I think it's more looking at it as an opportunity to change what's happened in the past. I think there's a lot of new players that have joined now. There's a new coaching staff. The past is the past. We cannot change that fact, but what we can change is the opportunity tomorrow to put in a big performance that can not only make ourselves proud, our club proud, our fans proud. But the most important part is in the context of the league, it's 3 massive points that we need to stay in touch at the top of the table. So I don't see it as an obstacle, I just see it as an opportunity.
swali la pili kwa mwalimu.
Yes, my name is Jawad from Amba TV. Coach, what to do in order to overcome this pressure? 6 defeats in a row against Yanga, and now maybe people are looking for you to be to beat Young Africans in a head-to-head match.
Yes, I think the same message to not only myself but to the team and the players is that by nature football is a pressurized game, but sometimes you've got to embrace the pressure. You can't allow pressure to make it difficult for yourself. You got to look at the pressure as a honor and a privilege to be able to be in these type of matches in these situations. So it's a type of pressure that we need to embrace as a coaching staff and the team and the club. I do believe that we have the ability and the capability and we have the players within our squad that we can look to change the course of previous results. And we have an opportunity to play forward to change the results that have taken place. It's important that we don't dwell in the past, and the past is the past, and we cannot change that, but what we can shape is our future. And tomorrow is a massive opportunity for us to do this.
Okay, swali la tatu kwa mwalimu.
Coach Steve, obviously you are a very good coach and you have come across so many games, and this one is one of them. But regarding the time you spent in Simba as a coach, do you think it has been enough for you to know what it takes to win such a big and fantastic game?
Yes, most certainly. I think these type of matches, obviously, it's a massive game for everybody. And I think it's a situation where, first of all, you have to have the desire, you have to have the belief, you have to have the will to want to win these type of matches. I think we have to have abundance of players that are really determined tomorrow to put in a performance that allows us to get maximum points. Second is understanding that doesn't just happen. We're playing against a good team and some very good individuals. So if you want to win matches like this, your performance has to be of the highest level. All factors, technically, tactically, psychologically, emotionally. So I think we're in a good space as a team, and I think we've shown good progression. We're disappointed when we got the maximum points. This is another opportunity to fight for points that we do need. So I think we've got the ingredients to really perform tomorrow. And I'm hoping that it's going to be a really exciting match. I think that's the biggest thing, is the excitement around the match. The players are excited. Hopefully it can be a really good match for the fans to watch. Really determined to come out.
Swali la nne kwa mwalimu. Coach.
Coach, we had a little bit of conversation with you in post-match conference in the past like 2 or 3 matches, and what you were insisting is utilizing every chance that you create. I don't have a clear data, but of course I have a clear picture that the conversion ratio is a bit low. As you approach tomorrow's match, where you may not create a lot of chances, but the few that you create, you have to utilize them. How have you prepared your team to make sure that every chance you get, you utilize them properly so as to get a win?
Yes, thank you. Good question. I think when it comes to sort of these type of matches, it probably does go down to the team that's the most efficient in front of goal. So it's important that the good partners that we are creating, if we won't create opportunities, I would be more concerned. But it's now mainly creating those chances. It's about focus. And it's about execution, it's about dealing with those situations at the right moment. So matches like these, there will be key moments that will happen in the 90 minutes. And I believe that the team that handles those big moments the best, at which, taking chances will be big moments. So the team is focused, we work hard, we are working hard at continuing to create those opportunities. And obviously now the key factor is we get those opportunities in place.
Okay, last question. Hello.
Coach Steve, we know it's very important to come to the big match like this with a winning streak. And we know that you're coming from a goalless draw against Dodoma in the previous match. But to what extent this can be advantageous to you ahead of this, because it can be a big number for your players to win this game.
Yes, I think one looks at our previous results and we are starting to show signs of a team that has an identity. We're showing signs of a team that to play against, to score against. I think we obviously created enough chances for one game, so we are still disappointed in that we didn't get maximum points. But again, I keep on saying that it's the past, we cannot change that result, but we can shape our future by tomorrow. And looking at the log table, obviously after tomorrow, it's either 2, 5, or 8 points difference between ourselves. And obviously we have to achieve our objective in addition to the challenge. And it's important that we do close the gap. So we have motivation to win the game, and there's a previous result of the current log table that is just really for the fans and really for ourselves. The motivation is really high. So I'm not concerned about motivating the players. I think there's a nice level of now just about executing minor details and key moments in the match, and making sure we do get opportunities that we can capitalize.
Kufanya matendo mazuri hivyo tuone tunazia matangazo yetu kwa kuhakikisha asilimia mia kutoka katika mchezo mchezaji vizuri kuelekea katika mchezo huu, na imani kwamba kutokana na vijana wetu na kuonyesha katika mechi zilizopita basi tunafanya vizuri katika mchezo huu.
Sawa, nikaribishe maswali matano kwa Kapombe.
Kubwa la leo kama mchezo uliopita kwa suluhu kwa mwenyewe, lakini tunasema kwamba sisi kuna wachezaji wengi wawili ambao hawajawahi kucheza na kama hii, lakini tunasema kila siku tunapopiga hatua kukutana na mechi nyingine kwamba timu yetu kuwa tunakuwa na vizuri na uwiano mzuri. Na imani kwamba mpaka kufikia leo na kuzungumza asilimia nzuri kuelekea katika mchezo huu, na zimepita dati nyingi na tuna vitu vingi ambazo zimepita nyuma tunaweza kupoteza, lakini nasema kwamba ibaki kwa historia, na sisi kesho tuna nafasi kubwa ya kufanya.
Sawa, swali la pili kwa Kabombe.
Kapteni, umecheza mechi sita mfululizo na bahati nzuri zote sita juu ya mashabiki na ya wachezaji, hiyo kesho kuhakikisha mnapata ushindi. Na wapia nini mashabiki ambao wanasafiri sehemu mbalimbali kuhusu kesi ya kesho ambayo mechi sita kwa bila
Najua kwamba jukumu zito kwa sababu nimecheza mchezo uliopita, lakini kutokana na maandalizi yetu na kutokana na mechi yetu ya ufundi kuandaa na wanasema kwamba mashabiki na wanachama wetu wa Simba watajivunia kuwepo sisi hapa Amani.
Sawa, swali la nne tafadhali, Kumbe mtu mbele yako.
Najua sisi malengo makubwa ambayo
Nzuri.
kwa hiyo nasema kwamba najua kuna kubwa kwetu na sisi tunaingia katika mchezo huo ambao tunaenda kucheza kama mwalimu alivyotangulia kusema kwamba hapa na mshindi wetu kwa ajili ya kuweza kuweza kuangalia mara mwisho wa msimu na kuangalia malengo ambayo tumejiwekea. Kwa hiyo kutokana na maandalizi nasema kwamba nzuri na naenda kufanya vizuri katika mchezo wa kesho, tunaendelea kufanya kuhakikisha
Sawa, swali la tano na la mwisho.
Kesho tunakuwa mchezo ambacho tunaweza kuwaahidi nafasi ya Simba katika mchezo wa kesho.
Kwanza nasema kwamba naomba mashabiki wa Simba na wanachama wa Simba walikuwa visiwani hapa na walikuwa wanatoka kutoka sehemu mbalimbali kutoka kwa wingi kwenda kutoa support, kwa sababu tunaamini wao